Those who work in the mining industry know the dangers involved with working in and around heavy mobile machinery. One of the leading causes of injuries and fatalities, as well as damage to vehicles and equipment, are due to accidents involving mobile machinery. Strata works to ensure a safer working environment and has over a decade of in-the-field experience. The system protects over 40,000 people every day around the world. HazardAVERT is an electromagnetic, near-field proximity detection and collision avoidance system that works on any size and type of machinery, both on the surface and underground. HazardAVERT can detect multiple types of interactions: vehicle to person, vehicle to vehicle, and vehicle to stationary object. It can also be used to mark off restricted areas. Electromagnetic field generators, installed on machinery, create invisible low-frequency magnetic fields around the machine. The magnetic fields can be sized by technicians and are divided into 3 proximity zones: the ID zone, the warning zone, and the hazard zone. Personal alarm devices, or PADs, are worn by the miners and are equipped with LED proximity indicators and audible alarms. PADs are available with or without a cap lamp and can be integrated into third-party cap lamps. Screens show active warning alarms, identifying pedestrians or vehicles breaching the zones. Operators can view list of PAD and vehicle IDs. HazardAVERT also runs automatic systems diagnostics, and operators are alerted to any system errors. If a person or vehicle is positioned near or behind a parked vehicle, warning alarms will be activated as soon as the vehicle starts up. The vehicle can be programmed to not move until fields are cleared. The low-frequency fields pass through almost anything, so people and machinery will be detected even around corners and through ventilation curtains and barriers. Whenever a person or vehicle enters a magnetic field of operating machinery, the PDS system is activated and warning lights and alarms are triggered. All parties involved receive the warning alarms simultaneously. Level 9. HazardAVERT Level 9 can intervene without operator input to slow or stop vehicle automatically in order to prevent an accident. Once the person clears the proximity zones, the machine can continue as normal. When a machine is detected in another machine's hazard zone, the screen displays will alert both operators, and both machines will stop immediately. A safety release switch, or the emergency park brake, can be used to temporarily disable the proximity zones on one machine and allow the other to move and clear the zones. Once the hazard zones are cleared, the vehicle can continue as normal. Vehicle to restricted area, perimeter guard. HazardAVERT can be used to prevent vehicles from entering restricted areas. This is known as perimeter guard. Magnetic zones are generated along a cable. If a vehicle travels too close and is detected in the warning zone, the screen display will alert the operator and the vehicle will slow down. If the vehicle breaches the hazard zone, the warning display will alert the operator, and the machine will automatically stop without requiring operator intervention. Strata Hub Interfacing. Strata Hub PDS interface and data logger facilitates smart communication between HazardAVERT and the mobile mining machinery. With Strata Hub Level 9 intervention controls, the technology uses proprietary firmware to calculate vehicle travel speed and other relevant inputs to accurately determine safe slowing and stopping distances. All PDS-related events are logged and stored and can be downloaded or sent real-time via wired and wireless networks underground for reporting, analysis, and training. All people, machinery, and area perimeters equipped with HazardAVERT will be detectable and interactive throughout the worksite. Strata's HazardAVERT system has been implemented in hundreds of mines around the world and has proven to be effective and reliable in preventing accidents and collisions and increasing worker safety. For more information about HazardAVERT and all other product solutions, visit www.strataworldwide.com. Strata Worldwide. Our experience is your advantage.